So if you're locked and loaded on getting started in affiliate marketing and you are serious about making this work, you are dedicated, you are ready to put in the time, you are ready to work hard, and you realize that there are no easy buttons in business, well, there's one big mistake that I see people make over and over and over that actually causes them to make money 10 times slower than they could if they just avoided this mistake from the beginning. I'm Adrienne with Build a Life by Design, and today I'm going to tell you the secret of how to actually bring in income 10 times faster by avoiding the number one big mistake that I see people make specifically when they're getting started in affiliate marketing. So I've seen it once, I've seen it 1,000 times, and I get tons of emails actually from people telling me that they're super serious and they're ready to get started. And so naturally, I ask a couple of follow-up questions so I can figure out how I can best help them, because everyone's kind of different and everyone's in a different starting point, right? And time again, I see the same type of response. I just really need a coach. I just really need a mentor. I'm super serious about this. I've watched all the YouTube videos. I'm ready to go. And I say, great. Okay, so what's your budget for getting started the right way, like getting a smart start? And they're like, I have $100. Or I have $0, but I'm willing to work hard, or as soon as I make some money, I can invest in some more training. And here's the honest reality of affiliate marketing, you guys, is there's certain fundamental skill sets that you're going to need to learn to be successful. And you can either learn them super slow over the course of an entire year by watching all the free YouTube videos, or you can simply invest in the proper training from the beginning. Learn it all in 3 months or 2 months or even 1 month if you're super efficient with your time. And you could get into that money-making phase so much faster if you simply invested in the right training. And here's the truth of the matter, you guys. You have to invest first, earn second. It's just the way of the world. If you were going to go out and buy a Starbucks, would you expect Starbucks to give you, the franchise for free, and as soon as you're making some money, then you pay for it? No. You invest first, earn second, right? It's no different for online business. Just because what you're doing is behind a screen doesn't mean that you don't need to invest in the right infrastructure to make it work, right? And there's certain skill sets you need to learn about branding, about marketing, about promoting, and about setting up the structure that will literally allow for the sales to happen, okay? There's also certain business models that you need to understand, different ways that you could set this up, and the way that you set it up is dramatically going to have an impact on your day-to-day work and on your lifestyle, right? So you need to make some decisions about places you might want to invest in some automation versus places where you're willing to do things manually. But there's no way you're going to understand the lay of the land and understand these options without the right training. So the trick to earning money 10 times faster in affiliate marketing is to simply invest in the right training from the very beginning and come to terms with it in your mind that you invest first, earn second. I mean, am I saying that you can't be successful by just watching all the free trainings on YouTube and other places? No, you absolutely can. You can be successful. It's just going to take 10 times longer, because you're going to go through that phase of trial and error and trial and error and error and error for a lot longer. How long do you want to be struggling? How quickly do you want to make income? It's a mindset thing. It's something that you need to come to terms with in your mind, that if you truly believe in yourself as a person, your ability to learn, and you truly believe in the model of affiliate marketing, why wouldn't you invest in the proper training? If you wanted to learn to be an engineer, would you not go to engineering school? Invest first, earn second? Sure you would, right? If you wanted to go into business management, wouldn't you go to college first and get the degree, invest first, earn second? Sure you would. If you wanted to start any kind of business, our Starbucks example was a great example, it's the same thing. Invest first, earn second. But somehow, when people start talking about an online business, they forget that concept and they feel like they have to earn first, invest second. And I'm here to tell you it's the exact opposite, you guys. You really need to have some of these fundamental skills. You need to understand how business structures differ. right? And the different ways, the different, say, page building platforms work, to understand what's going to work best for your style. And in all honesty, a lot of the YouTubers out there, they're trying to help the best they can, but there's only so far you can go in a YouTube video like this, right? And so what you're seeing from all the free content is all the surface stuff. And yeah, you can model that behavior, the way that they are engaging with people, the types of social posts they make. You can follow experts and you can model a lot of their behavior, but you're only seeing the front end of their business. You're not seeing what happens on the back end. And let me tell you, 10% of the sales or less happen on the front end. 90% happen on the back end, happen behind the scenes, things you can't see by simply following a guru and watching all their stuff and taking all their free training. It takes proper training to learn how to set up the infrastructure properly on the back end to make 90% of the sales. So by investing in the right training, not only are you going to earn money faster, you're going to earn more money when you do start earning money. So I highly encourage you to invest into a high quality training about how to build an affiliate marketing business and how to ramp up to that bigger income bracket as quickly as possible. So wrap your head around that mindset, that way of thinking. And if you're there, if you're ready and you're looking for what is a good program, right? There's a lot of kind of scammy programs out there, right? The next video I direct you to is going to introduce you to a program that I think is one of the best programs I've found. I sample and try a whole lot of programs and platforms and review them to save you guys the time and hassle, right? And I'm going to direct you to a video that takes you to, in my opinion, the highest quality training you can get at the lowest price possible, right? It's the best way to go. So stick around for that. At the end of this, you'll see my logo pop up somewhere over here. You can simply tap it to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. If you're hearing little sounds, it's because I have my puppy here on the floor. Please don't mind him. And the next video I promised about a great training platform that's high quality at an affordable price will pop up over here. So I hope that helps you guys. I hope that this is the year you're ready to take it seriously and you're ready to shorten that learning curve by learning the right things right out of the gate so you can actually have success and not just add your name to the list of thousands of people who are hustling but struggling and never quite getting there. I want my audience to succeed. I want to create an entire audience of people who are just thriving in business. There's nothing that would bring me more joy than that. So hope that was helpful, guys, and I'll see you next time around. I'm Adrienne with Build a Life by Design, and I help people to build six-figure incomes from home. They can have true freedom in their lives and actually change the trajectory of their family and their community, and even broader if that's what their heart is prompting them to do. So be sure to check out the next video, and I'll see you guys next time.